Welcome back to Side Mirror. I'm Pamela Fernando. This is tips and tricks on Adobe Premiere Pro.
So today I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen on Adobe Premiere Pro. So first, bring your green screen video to the timeline wherever you want. Now go to Effects and go to Video Effects and go to Keying. Then drag and drop Ultra key to the green screen video. Now go to the effect control, then click this tool and go and click the green screen. You can see it will disappear. So you can see now the green screen video is here. You can see that's how you remove a green screen on Adobe Premiere Pro.
If you want more tips and tricks on Adobe Premiere, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to get the notification, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.